Welcome back, students, again for some more important questions which we will discuss in this session. Find amount of rupees 64,000. So principal is rupees 64,000 in 2.5 years. So rate of interest is time is 2.5 years. So we will not write it n means number of terms. It cannot be 2.5. So this time we write it as t only. It is not the number of terms. It is only the time for which the amount is deposited. Amount of rupees 64,000 is deposited at the rate of 5% per annum. But this time is fractional. So this is the main problem. What should we do when the time is fractional? For these types of question, first we find the amount for the integral part, means for 2 years only. And then for next half year, we will find the amount by using the formula of simple interest PRT by 100. And then that interest will be added to the final amount after 2 years. So it will give the amount after 2.5 years. As there is no method to use this 2.5 years directly. So now we started by finding the amount for first 2 years using the formula. For first 2 years, principal is equal to the same, rupees 64,000. Rate of interest is also the same as it is calculated per annum, 5% per annum, and time is only 2 years. And when we use the formula method, formula for finding the amount is A equals to P into, we know that 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Now principal is 64,000 into 1 plus rate of interest is 5 by 100 and time is 2. So it is 64,000 into 1 plus 1 by 20 whole square, that is 64,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. So 2 2s are 4, 16. So 16 and 2 zeros will also be cancelled out. 160 into 441. Now multiply these two. 16 ones are 16, carry 1. 16 4s are 64 plus 165, carry 6. 64 plus 6, 70. So amount after 2 years is rupees 70,560. And we have to calculate the amount for 2.5 years. Means first we calculate the interest for next half year. So we write for next half year. This amount for first 2 years becomes the principal for next half year. Rupees 70,560. And rate of interest will be 5% per annum still. And time equals to half year only. So in next page, now we find the interest for the next half year by using the formula P2RT over 100. In first 2 years, as the rate of interest is 5% per annum compound interest, so we have used it. And for next half year also it is compound interest. Means compound interest means when interest is calculated on the interest. So amount after 2 years becomes the principal for the next half year. So we have taken it as the principal for the next half year, which is 70,560 into rate of interest 5 into time 1/2 over 100. So when we calculate it, what will be the result? 35280, then divide by 2 into 5 by 100. So it is 1764.00. So rupees 1764 is the interest for next half year. So 2.5 years gets completed, and the final amount is obtained when we add this 70,570, which is the amount for 2 years, with the interest for the next half year. That is 70,560 plus 1,764. So when we add them, 4, 6 plus 6, 12, 2, carry 1 plus 5, 6 plus 7, 13, 3, carry 1 plus 1, 2, 7. So it is rupees 72,324. And finally, we write the answer amount for 2.5 years equals to rupees 72,324, which is very easy to understand. As time is fraction, so first find the amount for the whole year time, that is for first 2 years. Then after finding it for first 2 years, this is the final amount after 2 years, which will become the principal for third year actually, but third year is not completed. This the principal for only next half year. So time we have taken half year only. Then we use the formula interest PRT by 100. For 1 year or less than 1 year, we can use the formula directly PRT. So 70,560 into 5 into half by 100. And finally, the interest for the next half year is only 1,764. And when we add it to the amount after 2 years, it will give the amount after 2.5 years, rupees 72,324. So always practice these types of questions by using this method. If you will solve 3 or 4 questions from your textbook, you will understand why we are doing this and what is the purpose of taking this type of method. Okay. So students, start solving this question and ask if you have any doubt in your comment box.